Namaskar, मैं Dr. Garg. Today's talk is, there was a question from one of the viewer that how he can get long hair and thick hair just in 1 week. It is good, such question comes to your mind when you are going to face some interview, you are going for some photo shoot, or you are going for some matrimonial purpose. In that situation, you may need to have thick long hair, or you want to look good for that. The purpose is fine, but the possibility I am going to tell you how it is. First thing, to get long hair in 1 week, my dear, it is just not possible, because the length of hair per day, per month is fixed. The length growth is 1 centimeter per month. So in 1 week, by no means you can increase the length. But I understand the idea behind asking this question is that you want to increase the volume of the hair. Overall volume, because the overall volume of the hair depends on the number of hair, length of hair, and the thickness of hair. So we solve your problem that you want to increase the overall volume or the density, or you want that the scalp show, means the scalp should not be visible and it should look, your scalp should look like full hair of head. So the answer to is, you can make your hair look thicker by some temporary means. Those temporary means are, first, oiling. If you put the oil, it makes a coating and your rough and frizzy hair looks shiny and they look better, making a coat. So immediate answer is, and the cheapest answer is, just oil your hair. Number 2 is the various type of hair masks are there. You can see my lot of YouTube video, and I advise them: egg mask, castor oil mask, banana mask. There are various types of masks which you can make at home, and you can use them for 2 hours just before going some party, or a day before, or in the morning. You can use those masks. So that mask, the protein having that mask, will make a coating over the hair. Like this is the hair, it makes a coating, and when this makes a coating, and if you have 50,000 of hair on the top of your head, they will look, all of a sudden the volume will look too much, and you will feel that your hair has become thicker. So that's a sort of temporary increase in the thickness of hair by using the various masks. The third very important, instant and most commonly used and user-friendly method is use of hair fiber. These are the organic matter which are of dark in color, and they also comes in other shades also. They are available at medical shops and various online. You can order them and you can just spray them before going to the party. Don't worry, they are not going to stain your clothes. So do not worry about that. Just before going to the party, you can spray. By ionic mechanism, the particles of the fiber gets attached to your hair fiber, giving the illusion of thick hair. One thing. Second thing, these particles sits on your scalp skin, and the whiteness or shininess of the skin is covered by the black those particle, and the scalp show is reduced, or scalp become invisible. So the hair fiber does 2 important things. Apparently making your hair thick means the cosmetic density, temporary cosmetic density is increased. Number 2, scalp show is remarkably reduced, and that can be done instantly. Other than hair fiber, nowadays few hair sprays are available, which you just spray. That again the chemical or that matter sticks to your hair filament and making them thick, shiny and glowing. So these are the temporary methods which you can do in a week or on the same day or 2-3 hours before going to the party. And I tell you, they are very, very good. They are very successful, and there is nothing bad in it. Whenever we go to for some party, we wear good clothes. It doesn't mean that we are hiding something, because we like it. So spraying hair fiber, doing conditioning, using oil and using hair mask, you are not hiding the truth. So don't feel that it's something bad. And for the long term, you consult a doctor if you have some disease, androgenetic alopecia, or you have nutritional deficiency, you correct them. Otherwise, you must live a happy, healthy, socially active life without stress, no smoking, no tobacco, no alcohol, and no cold drinks. I think my few points will help you in increasing your temporary visual density. Thank you. Thank you very much.